Welcome again to my channel. I'm so psyched that you're here because today I'm going to walk you through how to connect your Printful account to your Shopify store. So hopefully you've already watched some of my videos about creating a Shopify store, and if you haven't, you can check those out first if you haven't gotten one yet. I'll put links in the description below. And I'm going to assume you already have a Printful account, and if you don't, you can easily click that sign up button and go through that process first. And I think I have videos here somewhere on or around the screen, and I'll put links in the description below if you want to check out my Shopify and Printful tutorials. So the first thing you're going to have to do is log into, we're going to go ahead and sign in to my Printful store. So we're going to wait on that, and hopefully you can just follow along with me. I always try to go slow enough so you can keep up and you don't get lost or confused. So we're logging into Printful on one side, and on the other side of the screen you can go ahead and log into your Shopify store. If you don't have one, remember I've got a tutorial series about how to create a Shopify store. And if you're watching this video before they're finished, they are on the way. I'm getting them done as quick as I can. So we can see here, Shopify is loading up. You can also connect Printful to Etsy, Amazon, different stores that you can sell on there. But I like to use Shopify because it's pretty simple. It's a little slow right now. My computer's bogged down, I think. Alright, so my Shopify has loaded. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Alright, so go ahead and put your email and your password in and log into that Shopify store. I'm super excited for us to do this process together because it's fun, it's not hard, and it doesn't cost you a lot of money to start up. Alright, so that's taking a second to load out. Alright, so I'm going to be working on my Corkabee shop here. So go ahead and click on the store that you're working on. It'll be whatever name you've chosen. And now we are here on the Shopify home screen. I still haven't done my point of sale because I use Square, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. But what we need to do is go up into the search bar and type in Printful. And here we go, store results, Printful print on demand. So we're going to click on the little icon that has the yellow, blue, and red triangles on the top. So right now we need to connect our Shopify store to the print on demand. So when you do this, you're agreeing to share your info, and deleting the app will remove access to your Shopify store. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit and see if there's anything that we need to read. So I'm going to go ahead and click this green button up on the top that says Update App. And then that should help us link up Printful to Shopify. So right now we already have an account. I have an account. I hope you already have yours too. So I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. So we're going to connect to the email that we have chosen to set up our Printful shop with. Okay, so that's all you have to do to connect your website to Printful. And I hope this video has been helpful, and if you want to go ahead and start adding products, all you have to do is click that red Add Product button, and you can start selling your t-shirts, mugs, hats, purses, whatever you're interested in selling on your store. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out my Shopify tutorials, my Printful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this, please click subscribe and comment with questions or anything you want to ask me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you soon.